The future is yours. And hence it's important for you to understand and realize where we have come from. As they always say that no matter where we go in the future, it's very important to remember your roots. If you forget your roots, then no matter how big you become in life, it will be all meaningless. It's because of our roots that we come to know who we are. It is our roots that define what we are, how strong we are. It's our root that will give us the identity of who we really are in society. And hence, these particular 2 days are not just simply a celebration of looking at the different cultures that we have. It is, of course, it is a celebration. But as I said, it's more of a reminder and more of a mechanism for us to ensure that the young generation especially do not forget who they are, who our forefathers were, what is our culture, where did we come from. Only when we know these things and we put these basic ideas in our mind, it's only then can we in a strong and committed manner move forward to take our people and our state and our country forward from where we were, where we are, and where we should be. The 3 statues of the great freedom fighters of our state were installed right here. And sometimes we forget to remind ourselves about these great heroes and the contribution that they have made. So I congratulate the minister and I congratulate the department for this great initiative that's been taken. And we should continue to do this. These kind of statues should not just be in Shillong. It should be in different parts of the state. Tula should have a statue of Tirot Singh and Jamnamba also. Jente Hill should have statues of Pathukuning Sangma and Tirot Singh. And so on and so forth. We need to ensure that our younger generation are reminded about the contributions made by these great heroes and have been given an award. Is because they have taken the initiative to preserve the culture of our people, the identity of our people, the roots of our people.